Hello everyone, welcome to Mint Coding with Miguel Parada. Alright, let's install Eclipse Neon. First thing we do is go to Google, type Java JDK, scroll down and select your version of Windows, hit the installer, and go from there. After that, we go back to Google, type Java JRE, select the Oracle website. You'll have to create a free account with Oracle to gain access to this. After that is downloaded, return to Google and type Eclipse Neon. The last thing to do is go to the files you downloaded and install them. Please install the JDK first, JRE second, and Eclipse Neon last.